Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to fix Instagram song is currently unavailable. If your Instagram song is currently unavailable means you need to click on Play Store and update your Instagram account. After updating, come back and go to Instagram account. Here you need to click on profile. After that, we need to click on your story. Click on camera. After that, we need to click on your music symbol. So here we have a browse. So here you will see we have a songs of 1990 to 2000. So in we got that so much of updates. All songs will be currently available. If the song is currently not available, if song is not available, so you need to come back and click on your profile, and here you need to click on three horizontal lines, go to settings and privacy. Here we have a option of help, report a problem, which song is not currently unavailable. So within 24 hours or within few days they will definitely rectify and they will add the song on Instagram account. Thank you.